Sean,
Yep.
make ghost noises and stuff.
Ooh, ha, go, ooh, go, ha, ha, ooh, go, ha, ha, ooh, go, ha, ha.
What does the ghost say?
Ooh, ha, 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 ooh, ha, ha, ooh, ha, ha.
That's what a ghost says?
Yes. Ha, ha.
I thought a ghost went boo, boo, boo.
And it said, ooh, ha, ha. Ooh, ha, ha.
You're a funny ghost.
Ooh,
like, yes.
ha, ha.
You're a very funny ghost.
Yeah, he said.
Ooh, ha, ha. Ooh, ha, ha.
Is it Jeannie or is it just?
No, I think it's Judy.
Why don't you come out and see if you can scare Daddy?
Ooh, ha, ha.
You look pretty good.
Is that your costume?
Yes.
Hi, Tommy.
I had to go last minute and find your winter coats.
Hi.
That's cool.
Whoa, Effie says fall down on Sam.
Hi, puppy. Come on, Sam.
Come on, Jim.
How you doing?
Sam.
Hi, Jenny.
Mommy,
One hiding
Effie can fall down on Sam.
Daddy, look at Sam.
Effie can fall down on Sam, Mom.
Tommy was in the car. He was getting out. He's like, I'm so excited.
Mommy,
Like, well, make sure you tell him that.
Mommy.
Swinging, you okay? I'm just doing a shy bit. It's okay, that's why we're staying over here. I know that. 10 minutes to be over here.
Effie falls down on steps.
Yeah, she's okay. Hey, Nev, look, it's Sean. Hey. Come here, look at. Sean is being a ghost.
Really good.
Oh, we can get shoes off here. Can I do that to Sean? We made brownies, but we used olive oil because we didn't have any vegetable oil, which makes them really nice and soft. But they fall apart when you.
Oh, thank
But
you.
they're really good when made though.
Yeah. What do you say, Sean?
Sean, look at that. Let me see.
Thank you.
Scary looking. You gonna wear a hat?
No.
No. It's kind of cold out. You look like a really good ghost, huh?
Yeah.
Did you help Mommy make that?
Grammy made it.
Daddy made it.
No.
There, jump around, wave your arms.
Mom.
Look like you're doing a tap dance.
There he is. There's the ghost, Sean.
Let me see. Oh, it sure is.
See, you want to see what you look like in your... Shake that thing again.
Well,
See, you knew you could stand there for
trick or treat.
time.
Hey, can I have come?
Tommy's like, oh, I guess I did have to go.